Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Dubsado, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you print a customer report of transactions in your Dubsado account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to get a transaction report for one of your customers in Dubsado anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you manage your projects and invoices in Dubsado, sometimes your clients are going to ask for a report so they can audit the different transactions. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Dubsado dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Dubsado account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to print out a transaction report for one of your customers, here on the left side, you're going to click on reporting. Once you do that, you want to click on transactions. Okay, so this is going to show all the transactions in your Dubsado account. So in order to filter this out, you want to click over here, filters. And once you do that, you can go ahead and add various filters. But if you want to filter by customer, click right here on projects, choose the project, and then click on apply filters right here. Okay, so now only the transactions that are showing for that particular project. And what you can do is go ahead and export as CSV. Okay, quick second later, it opens up. So you can see this particular customer, all of their transactions are in different line items. So they can go through and review it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to print out a transaction report for one of your customers in Dubsado, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.